I saw the friend clearly. And I stopped reading books and memorizing poems. I quit going to church and fasting. To be a better person. I quit worrying about when I should be praying. I saw how I was undisciplined and toxic. I saw how lovely and strong. No mercy for the drunk, a full sentence. Let the beautiful one come out in fine clothes. Wind his hair into God's robe. Twist the braids into a cross for Christians to see. His light is better than the sun's. How could he have gotten so withered and weak? Now he jokes and pounds the table. He was wine under a lid, Joseph at the bottom of the well. Know yourself in the light of the true ones. As the ground sees its face in a garden. As rock knows its own secret when put next to a ruby. Iron next to polished steel. Come into existence. Flies go round to every pile of dung. And finally out of that compost comes the Anya bird. The true man. When a person is born. Of this new moment, it does not wear off tomorrow. Sit with lovers and be useful. Do not wander away. Look, fish, at the ocean behind you. Go back where you came from, sea creature. You hear the sound of water. And you know where you want to be. Why wait? You have gone places that you regret going for money and other reasons. Do not do that again. Water says, live here. Do not carry me around in buckets and pans. Those are false duties. Rest and be quiet. I saw the friend clearly. And I stopped reading books and memorizing poems.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.